What's up everyone? I'm Faith Tucker with MasterCraft Marketing. Today I'll be giving you an overview of our NXT family of towboats. The NXT lineup is the best in its class, built for those who want to stay connected out on the water, all while maximizing their comfort in the boat. Ranging in size from 20 to 24 feet, there's the perfect solution for anyone looking to get into a MasterCraft and unleash their summer. Let's dive in. Looking at the MasterCraft NXT family, one of the great benefits is staying connected. New for 2023, all NXT models are equipped with telematics, allowing you to stay connected to your boat and get your family out on the water faster, all through the MasterCraft app. You can also use the app to remotely monitor your boat's health, view critical data, and keep your local dealer up to speed with your service needs. To stay connected in the boat, the NXT offers entertainment for everyone on board. The Klipsch audio system allows your family to stream their favorite tunes via Bluetooth all day long. Added speakers on the NXT 22 and 24 elevate the sound experience to keep everyone moving no matter where they sit. To keep your whole crew fully charged and maximize your time on the water, the NXT family can also be equipped with 5 wireless charging stations. Our NXTs deliver the most comfort and quality there is. A great new feature for 2023 that's available on the NXT 22 and 24 is the flip down swim step. The step can be deployed by the use of a single hand and easily flip down to get you and your kids in and out of the water with ease. With plentiful under-seat storage, built-in cooler locations, and hinge seating, the NXT family gives you tons of room for snacks and gear below deck to clear up space for your friends and family. Thanks to a convertible rear seat, the rear portion of the cockpit can be configured as a conversation space, or it can be a front row seat for the action behind the boat. To keep you cool on the hottest of days, you can upgrade to COOLFEEL, a unique material that stays up to 30% cooler than standard marine vinyl. With MasterCraft, there's no need to shy away from those darker vinyl options that fit best with your custom design. Since their introduction to our fleet, we've always taken pride in the fact that our NXTs provide a best-in-class consumer experience. And that relates to the experience behind the boat, in the boat, and behind the wheel. To affirm our position at the top of the segment, we've increased the ballast available in the NXT 22 and 24 for 2023. This ballast boost delivers more wave amplitude, versatility, and push. In essence, the endless wave just got better. It's now more forgiving, which will allow you to progress even faster. And please keep in mind, all NXTs feature SURFSTAR. This revolutionary surf system is loved by surfers worldwide as a result of its strength, accuracy, and ease of use. SURFSTAR can shape the perfect wave for kids just getting started and for experienced riders who demand a more aggressive wave. Lastly, every MasterCraft NXT is handcrafted, developed with the highest quality materials and tested relentlessly with 24 hours of offshore validation. We're passionate about everything that goes into our boat to deliver you with the best on-water experience. And each boat comes with MasterCare. MasterCare is our way of saying, we've got your back. The MasterCare warranty is a top-of-the-line, 5-year, 500-hour comprehensive warranty with minimal exclusions. This also includes an unrivaled engine warranty, 7 years or 1,000 hours. Thanks for hanging with me today to learn about how the NXT family delivers the best in connected technology, the most comfort, and best-in-class features. If you'd like to take a test ride or learn more, contact your local MasterCraft dealer or visit mastercraft.com.